How's it going, guys? Chad here. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel. So as you know from the channel, if you've watched any of my videos lately, you see I've been doing a lot of testing with Betaflight 4.0 in the development builds. Now the new Betaflight, it flies great. Very little issues. It's definitely a step forward. Is that consistently across like 3-inch, 5-inch, even 5.5-inch or larger, is that prop selection and motor battery selection, just that overall power curve is like really important, and if you just don't get it right, it really brings out some inherent issues that I've never really seen before. Typically you can fly around things like prop wash, sometimes you can change props, this and that. You can just kind of get away with little things, but Betaflight 4 so far, even after tuning the filters and stuff, really hits you hard of the prop, motor, and power combination. I was watching a few Raymond FPV's videos, really great guy. I like watching his videos. They're really soft-spoken and really enjoyable to watch. He's a great flyer, and he recently has been doing some prop comparison videos with like the Ethics props, the Azor 6140s, and the Johnny FPV props. I've been testing all of those props, and it's funny how they vary from setup to setup and everything else like that. The Ethics S3 props flew great, and I'll link a video up here on one of my Source 1 builds. And when I rebuilt this Source 1 right here on 6S, I just couldn't get them to smooth out. There's just a lot of vibrations and stuff like that. Flight characteristics were really weird, but I put the Azors on there and super smooth and just very little prop wash. I have some videos coming on that here soon. I started watching back some of my old Helio videos, and we all know what happened with Helio, but the one thing it did is that the flight characteristics of Helio, besides some of the bad stuff, I know there was bobbing and weaving and all this kind of stuff, but I really didn't have a whole lot of that. But the biggest thing I noticed watching those videos back still is that there's inherently way less prop wash in all of those videos. My flying was not as good as it is now. It's very erratic and things like that, but the prop wash really wasn't there. In some cases it was non-existent. The other thing that it had was just this really nice kind of thing that you see in like Flight 1, sorry. And that's just kind of like these nice robotic type of moves and stuff that really look good when you watch freestyle videos back. There's the cool, smooth, flowy freestyle that I like to do and watch, but there's also just kind of like this high intensity type of freestyle, not like the fast flippy and floppy stuff, but just the nice change in directions and altitudes and power. And you try to do that stuff on Betaflight, it's really hard to mimic it. And I had that kind of feeling on Helio, so I'm definitely interested in trying out something from Flight 1 to see if I can mimic that behavior myself. Because every Flight 1 freestyle video that I watch, I'm pretty impressed with, and I'd like to attempt that kind of freestyle flying. So I don't know, tell me what you think. You saw a little bit of clips from here and there and what's coming and what I went through and this and that, and I wish I could demonstrate more to you, but just kind of have to take my word for it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please continue to subscribe, like the video. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you later.